So here I am on Thursday, December the 28th, and I am on, you just see behind me, the line of the oldest railway in Scotland. It wasn't a steam railway, it was a horse-drawn line, and it ran from Tranent, had just come from up there, down to Cockenzie harbour. You just see the blue of the sea in the background, and this is the part that connects the field of Prestonpans, where Bonnie Prince Charlie defeated the British government troops in 1745, and this line actually was used as part of the defence, but it was actually taking coal from Tranent to the salt pans down at Cockenzie for making salt. So you can just see a glimpse of the line further up there, further down, way along ahead of us. The Tranent and Cockenzie Waggonway.